Hello, friends. It's going to be a little loud in here, so I have to kind of talk loud. Sorry. We are doing a headliner. I got help today, and we got a heater. Oh my. We're going to do this a little different. Look at that. There's a headliner that needs done in there. The headliner is in the front, but this back half does not have a headliner. Isn't that weird? Okay, we're about to get started, so here we go. So this car is a 2004 Chevy Impala. Now, we went into this thinking it was going to be a little less complicated than the LeSabres that I had done, but it turned out it wasn't. It was quite a challenge to get it to at least get the headliner to drop down. I left that in there because a lot of people wonder what I do behind the scenes, what I cut out, and all of that. Well, there you go. Anyway, the headliner was quite the challenge. Getting it to drop down, pulling down the pieces, trying to figure out how to release some of these things. They were much more complicated. That I found weird. And then once we got the headliner down, we ran into an entirely different problem. The wiring under the headliner in this LeSabres, you can unplug the wiring and release all of that. This, no. There were wires coming out of the trunk up the sidewall of the C-pillar, and they were attached with very heavy glue, and it was all the way around the headliner, the entire car, even up to the black thing that holds the console above the console between the driver and the passenger side. So we found ourselves using a heating gun, calling in help, and spending extra time trying to get the wiring out. Oh my gosh. Now came time to pull the headliner out after we got all of the wires off of it. That became a challenge, but we got it. It took us less time than it did with the LeSabre. Then came the headliner part, but the original foam was still on the vehicle or on the headliner, and it was a challenge to get it off. It was going to take us half the night to do it by hand. So Tori YouTubed it to find a trick to maybe make it go quicker, and found using a wire brush with a drill. So we went to work. See, that's why I was doing it the way I was doing it. But you're getting too close.
Alright. I'm close. So that's perfect. Oh.
I wanted a finger away.
Hey,
It's not much.
I'm not the expert.
I know. You're the one who's telling me I'm doing it wrong.
No, I was just like the way she was doing it because I thought I was going smoother.
Well, it is, but look how crazy it looks.
Hey, no one's gonna see that part.
What?
No one's gonna see it. Hold it over.
Just do what I say.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. I don't even care. Look at my straight edge. And look at your shit.
Oh, mine is.
Yes. Yours too.
You guys don't fix yourself.
Oh, wow, okay.
I don't know. When you look at it now, we're actually straighter.
What?
When you look at it right here, we're actually straighter.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
Look at that. It's jagged as hell.
But overall, straighter.
It's jagged as hell.
Woman, I thought I was fucking blind.
You're fucking blind.
No,
Look
you're
at that
fucking
shit.
blind.
Look at that.
Look at that ocean. Hers is like mini waves. Put that away. You know I'm right.
I don't know about that.
You're right. Now I know you know the look.
You're good at talking shit.
You're right.
Huh?
Good at being right.
What?
Good at being right.
No, I don't think so. That's the worst thing.
See? You think. I know.
The headliner is done, everything is set up, it's ready to come back into the car. As far as the wiring, let's just say, no, it did not get glued back down. There's a lot of painter's tape underneath there. I guess you could call that a car lot trick, because we had no glue that was going to work for something like that. But it also gave us a little bit of trouble putting everything back in. But I think we made it. I think we got it. I just woke up a little bit ago. It was a very long night. We got home at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm telling you, these headliners are a royal. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.